have the clerk of the circuit court and county controller candidates please come up. Paula. At this point, I'd like to introduce our current clerk of the court, Dr. Paula O'Neill.
Good morning. Thank you so much for being here. Many of you I recognize from other candidate forums. Thank you for being here too. It's been my honor to be your clerk for the last 3.5 years. I appreciate that honor. Prior to being your clerk, I worked for the county and for the clerk's office. So in August, it will be a total of 25 years I've had the privilege of working in Pasco County and being a public servant, which is really an honor for me. I want you to know that as your clerk, I am responsible for your records, financial records. That $1 billion in taxes that is collected by the tax collector is given to my office to pay the bills for the county. We watch over that, it's audited, everything is protected. In fact, we just received the Certificate of Appreciation or of Achievement for Excellence in Reporting from the Government Finance Officers Association, which is a national organization. We also just received the Distinguished Budget Presentation Award for the work we did on our budget, for the transparency and accountability that we have to you, the citizens of Pasco County. So we're very excited about both of those awards. In addition to the finances, we have the responsibility of your official records, watching your mortgages, your deeds, your marriage licenses, all of those things from the beginning of time for Pasco County. And we have also passports, all of those functions. Thirdly, the other responsibility is your court system, all the records for your court system. Every day we have someone in court because anyone who's arrested is required to have a hearing within 24 hours. So even on Christmas Day, on Easter, every single day we have someone in court to make sure that those records are being kept well. So I appreciate the opportunity. I think you cannot substitute the experience when you have a job like your clerk, which is a constitutional office, and I appreciate the opportunity. I would love to continue to serve. We have made great strides at going electronic and moving our foreclosures on the electronic internet. We also are working toward electronic filing in courts, and we are now e-recording for all the title agencies, and contractors as well are using that for that purpose. So I'd like to take it into the next world and have everything completely electronic for your for the efficiency reasons and for your protection as well. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and thank you, CONA, for hosting.
Thank you, Dr. O'Neill. Next up, Roberta Cutting.
Hello, everyone. This is my first bout with running for office. I decided to run for office in October. Actually, the current clerk was actually my inspiration running against her. So, anyway, I have a lot of big plans. For one thing, let me start with that I do have an office system technology degree. I also have a paralegal degree. But most importantly, I feel like it's more important to, you know, all the degrees and all the awards in the world is not going to make someone work for you, to actually give 100% of their time to you. Anyway, I went ahead, I got some flyers here, and I put some up there on the back table. But I also put something here to encourage you to vote for the person, not the party. Because when you vote for a person, or vote just for a party, then there's no telling who you're going to get in office. I went ahead and, you know, I have, my last name is Cutting, so basically I'm cutting a lot of things. That'll help you remember my name, by the way. But I'm cutting corruption, which, of course, we all know is in every government office in the state, basically. But anyway, cutting hidden agendas, cutting even my salary. I plan on cutting the salary in half. The clerk makes almost $140,000 a year. I plan on cutting that in half and giving it back to the people of the county. And the people will decide on where to use those funds. The reason why I'm doing that is because I feel like if I can't live on almost $70,000 a year, then there's something wrong somewhere. So I went ahead and, you know, so I'm cutting wasteful spending. So that's basically my line. Can I go ahead and pass these out to each one of the tables?
Well,
I'm sorry.
Go ahead and speak.
Okay. So anyway, I plan on, I have an open door policy, and which is where anyone can come talk to me anytime they'd like, and I'm welcome. You know, since I have that open door policy, if you have any concerns or issues that need to be addressed, I'd be more than happy to do that personally. I don't know if anybody's aware of it, but the clerk actually only has to stay in the clerk's office only 8 days out of the whole year and still remain clerk. With my open door policy, you will be assured that I'm in that office at all times to serve you. I will be there. I mean, I even have the cell phones, stuff like that. There's times I have to transfer from one place to the other. I'm more than happy to still talk to you even on my cell phone. So I have, anyway, I also believe in, okay, no problem. Well, y'all have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Just as a point of information, as I'm sure you all know, our county government is an extension of the Florida state government. Salaries and remunerations for constitutional officers, county commissioners, school board is set by statute, predominantly set upon per capita population.